Hi, today I'll show you how to fix gaming Steelseries Siberia V2 headphones if one of its drivers stopped working. But before this, you have to make sure that the speaker is broken. That's why connect the headphones to the music player or PC and play your dank mixtape. Then just move around the cable in different places. If sound randomly appears, then we know that the speaker is fine and that the cable needs to be repaired instead. But if sound does not appear, then we can assume that the speaker drive is really damaged. To confirm the assumption, we have to get to the speaker. Take off the ear pads, they are glued with double-sided tape on this headset. Then carefully tear them off, and then we can see the ear pads are hooked behind small hooks. Then unscrew all the small screws and remove the plastic that squeezed the headset's body. Take the screwdriver and open it up, but careful with the speaker and the body it is glued to. Then take multimeter and put it on resistance measurement mode, and check if wires from the 3.5mm jack are intact. If resistance shows up as 0 or very near 0, then wires are good. But if it shows a big number infinity, then they are damaged. But before measuring the resistance, make sure that volume on the cable regulator is turned all the way to the max. As you can see, my cables are fine. Then measure the speaker's resistance. Manufacturer says that it should be 23 ohm. That means number on multimeter should be very close. If resistance is again very big or infinity, then speaker is damaged. Well, bad news, because wires can be repaired, but speakers can't. In this situation, you can do two things. Buy the same headphones as these, and the broken one will stay as donor. Or buy from Amazon or eBay replacement headphone speaker driver 50mm size. But then you have to buy two speakers, so the both sides sound the same. And then you just have to replace them. I can choose the first, because I already have Steelseries Siberia V2 gaming headset with one damaged speaker driver. That's why it's a good idea to combine both headphones together into one. And here is my donor. I just have to remove the OK speaker. Remove the earpad, but don't damage it, because these are donor headphones and every little thing can be useful in the future. Unscrew all the screws and take out the speaker, but accurately, without damaging our hope to restore the headset. And here's our little hope. Then check with multimeter if this speaker is indeed working. Yup, looks good. Then unsolder incoming wires to the speaker. Remember which contact is plus and which is minus. Then solder wires to our new donor speaker, but again remember the plus and minus. Connect the headphones to the music player and make sure that the speaker actually emits sound. If everything is Gucci, put back the headphone construction, but carefully. Screw in all the small screws and put back the earpad. Using your fingernails, push back the earpad behind plastic hooks. And that's all, folks! Congratulations on reviving the Steelseries Siberia V2 gaming headset. Now you can again play games with your friends, yay! This fixing technique can be used for any headphones that have damaged speaker. If you have any questions or tips, then freely write them down in the comments. And of course, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support my DIYs. You can also watch my video on how to replace earpads for this headset. And for now, see ya!